In previous videos, we've covered how easy it is to use the Qminder queue management system. As a web-based solution, it requires no hardware or technical knowledge to operate. This makes Qminder an ideal tool for greeters and receptionists. Customers nowadays crave personal customer service. Qminder makes it easy to inject personality into servicing your customers. But if you want to make it even more personal, consider adding a greeter. There are two ways how you can employ Qminder alongside greeters. The first is to have your customers walk in and sign in. Once their turn comes, the greeter approaches them with an iPad and enters the necessary information. Alternatively, the greeter can enter customers into line and fill in all the data on their behalf. Either way, a customer gets extra attention, which translates into higher satisfaction. Don't forget to smile at your customer and use their names for that special personal touch. To make life easier for your greeters, set up your iPad to collect customer names upon entrance. Speaking of collecting customer information, here's how you can benefit from it. The information gathered by the greeter upon sign-in can be used to enhance the experience. It offers a unique insight into customer needs, goals, and requirements. This means a greeter acts not only as the face of your company, but also as the gatekeeper of information. After the data has been gathered, Qminder interprets it via clear visuals and numbers. The data is available for the entire team to see, meaning it can enhance every aspect of your customer service. Data collection has long been a pain point for many companies worldwide. With the power of Qminder and greeters, you can truly take your customer service to new heights.